Introducing the new Galaxy Book4 Edge, the next-gen AI PC with the ultimate performance. Get ready to meet the blazing fast, most powerful Snapdragon ever designed for PC. Paired with Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Of course, Galaxy AI opens a hyper-connected Galaxy experience now on your PC, unlocking the new era of AI computing. Witness the unmatched AI performance fueled by 45 TOPS NPU processing power, the fastest NPU ever on Galaxy Book, along with the hybrid AI that combines on-device and cloud AI for faster, more secure experiences to boost productivity. All of this built into a PC without compromise, packing 16 gigabytes of unstoppable memory and a long-lasting, super fast charging battery, all housed within a super slim ultralight design. Rest easy knowing your data is securely protected by Knox. Now enjoy a breathtaking dynamic AMOLED 2X display that's so lifelike you'll want to touch it. Welcome to the new era of AI PC experience. Struggling to find what you need in endless documents and emails? Just type what you need in your everyday language. Recall's AI search will quickly find what you're looking for. Lightning-fast results. Connect your workflow from PC to phone. Copilot brings your favorite apps, like Messages, to the big screen. Sent just like that. Inspiration strikes when you least expect it. Seize the moment with Paint Co-Creator, which instantly transforms your sketches into masterpieces. Watch as your imagination comes alive before your eyes. But wait, there's more. Unleash Galaxy AI right on your PC, extending the same smooth experiences you love from mobile to a larger screen. Enjoy next-level AI tools like Circle to Search with Google and Chat Assist, propelling your PC productivity to new heights. This is the new way to PC you've all been waiting for. A true AI experience to give your power more power. Galaxy AI is here. Galaxy Book4 Edge.